What's up, guys? Mondays with Torres, episode 2. Flacco Torres, aka Fat Face Frankie, is my new nickname. So, address me as such. Yeah. Life of Pablo out now on Tidal, I guess. You say you never saw this coming, wait till now you do. It's freestyle, for episode 2. Every chick out there, I thought I really knew. We broke up then, she tried to hit the whole crew. Thinking back to one that really got away. Driving back and forth up to LJ. She had the sweetest family that I ever known. Sometimes something you really know. Sometimes the universe works in ways you never know. So you just gotta trust the flow. When I'm rapping, just trust the flow. I understand I might not know what I'm about to say in this setting. It's all on the setting. It's all on the letting. It's all on the getting. And those ain't words, but they rhyme. I just did that for you to show that I'm on time. It don't really matter anytime when I rhyme. Say whatever if it comes off the mind or off of the wig. Like the last freestyle I just did. I said it's like you took your wig off when you came home. You mad about the song at the Super Bowl. Homie, can we all get along? 'Cause my opinion don't make your opinion wrong. Time to fuck down and go home and count something. It's all off the, it's all off the tip. It's all off the rip. Like I'm on stage and rip my jeans. I do that like 1 or 2, 3, 4 weeks. Every time I'm on stage, I go so raised. Mr. Rager, shout out to Kid Cudi. It was nice hearing him on the Life of Pablo album. I ain't really like the last one. I'm wildin'. I should have said that on camera, but I still want to do a song with you. Can I do a song with Kid Cudi? Can I do a song with Kid Cudi? Yeah, we should get that trending like a hashtag. Matter of fact, nah, scratch that. I hate hashtags. It's just something for marketing cats to do and follow the conversation to come up with ideas so they know that what we like and what we think is hating. But it's back to the ratings. Right now, I got good ratings, I think. In 2015, it was all off the clink. I ain't even had to think. Slim played a beat and I just started rapping. You look back, that's what the fuck happened. Yeah, back in college when I couldn't cope, I knew I had to get on the road. Jersey to make it back to Jersey. Pump it up. Shout out to Redman, shout out to Joe Button, shout out to T-Dot, Fetty Wap, keep stunting. Yeah, I'm never running. And ain't shit funny, but it is kind of funny like Kevin Hart or Mike Epps or Cat Williams. And by the way, my name is Kevin Williams. That's the real shit. You can see it on my debit card, but that don't mean that it's easy or hard. They call me by my first name when you see me out. I'm seeing that the beat might drop. I'ma rap the whole thing out. It's all good. I'm glad Kanye put the album out. I got tired of waiting. I couldn't be at MSG, so everybody that was there, I felt like I was hating. But it's all gravy. Shout out my man Gravy. I've been working I feel like I've been rapping for like 30 hours. Monday to Torres. See y'all next week.